Mike Ross loves mountain railroading, but he's not modeling the western U.S. like many modelers. Instead, Mike prefers the Appalachian Mountains, and that's his layout setting for his favorite prototype, the Virginian Railway.
Well, this is the Virginian Railway, and so many model railroads are western scenery, narrow gauge, the brown, iron-rich mountains of the West. And I always thought that my preferred scenery was Appalachian. I call this Appalachian themed, but I wanted to create a Appalachian themed railroad in the fall.
The Virginian Railway, a major Class I railroad, has a unique history. Most major U.S. Class I railroads had been built from the 1860s to the 1880s. The Virginian, however, was constructed through the mountains of Virginia from 1907 to 1909, almost a quarter of a century later than most major rail lines.